Hi folks, today we are going to see about IAM Identity Center. So here I am going to log in with root user, which is IAM Identity Center is a recommended method instead of using IAM user. So let me log in with the root account. So MFA, okay, I have logged into my root account. So let me go to IAM. Yeah, so I have already enabled MFA for this root user. So here you can see I don't have any users, so I'm going to create a users. Now instead of selecting I want to create an IAM user, I'm going to select Identity Center, which is recommended method. So click next. So it will take you to the Identity Center console. Yeah. So you would see this Identity Center console if you're not enabled already. So IAM Identity Center is a region scope, which means you can only enable IAM Identity Center in a one region. Okay, so here I am enabling this IAM Identity Center in North Virginia. Yeah, so here you can see two options. So one is recommended method, which is AWS organizations, and another one is with AWS account. So AWS organization is a useful service that to manage multiple accounts within organization. So I would like to select the recommended method only. So please continue. Okay. Yeah. So it created a managing instance, which is IAM Identity Center's instance resource, and in background it created a AWS organization as well. That you can check here, AWS accounts. If you click AWS accounts, you can see the same organization setup structure here. So we will see AWS organization in later structure, later lectures. So yeah, we will be focusing on IAM Identity Center now. So here you can see, um, uh, if you check AWS organization, yeah, here you can see the root organization and management account. So yeah, this root account is uh, considered as a management account. Okay, so here You are going to see same structure in IAM Identity Center as well in AWS accounts. So here we are going to create users. So yeah, you can write first name and last name. Display name, you can change your display name. So yeah, this will appear when you after login with that user. Okay, this looks good. Click next. So we are going to create admin. So we can have group and then we can add users in the group. But for now, I'm not going to have a group. So click next. Yeah, so you can review the details and click add user. Yeah. Now user has been added. So you need to verify this, but before you need to set up IAM Identity Center user. So you should get a invitation mail. Yeah, this is the invitation I got from AWS. So click accept invitation. So it will take you to the IAM user. So um, here you need to set up a new username and password, and then you need to click login again with that password. Then you will land to this page. So I already did that. So that's why I'm in this page. So if you click authenticator app, you need to set up a MFA for this. So click next. So I'm going to set one. So I have done MFA. So once done, you will redirect you to this page. So I'm going to log in with the user that I created. Okay, password. So yeah, so it will ask MFA that I set. Okay. Now I have logged into the IAM Identity Center AWS apps, so you can see, but I don't have any AWS account setting. So I need to configure that in IAM Identity Center. Okay. So yeah. So if you can see how to users. So dashboard. So AWS accounts. So yeah. So here you need to configure the user groups. So here you can see assign user groups. So you can click this or you can click this and then assign user or groups. Yeah, so here you can see assign users or groups. Click this. So we don't have a groups. So we can assign a group. So I'm going to assign a user that I created. Okay, click next. So yeah, we have to attach the permission set. So let me create a permission set. So it's a, so there is two options available. So since this is admin access, I am going to use predefined permissions. There are already multiple predefined permission sets. Okay, click next. Okay. So yeah, this is what I said. Session duration. So we can define our session duration in permission set. So 1 hour is very short for me. So I'm going to choose 8 hours for me. We can choose based on our convenience. Even we can set custom duration as well from 1 hour to 12 hours and custom duration. So this is an optional. I'm going to leave that. Click next. Yeah. So these are all the options. So permission set has been created. Okay. So yeah. Similarly, we have to set up the account. So click this OU, assign users and groups. So yeah, let me click user, add user. So it will ask a permission set. Wait, add permission set. Click next. Yeah. So review some. Yeah, yeah, that's it. So here you can see users have added with permission sets of admin access. So now if you go to this portal and if you refresh, yeah, you have the success. But before that, if you go to your users, so click users. So I'm actually looking for a login URL. Yeah, here. So here you can see we can change our access portal URL. So let me give you an instance name here. Okay, so if you click actions, customize AWS access portal URL, you can give your own domain so that you don't have to remember that ID. Okay, so save. Yeah, so instead of like uh, having this ID, we can use this URL. Okay, username. Okay, the password I covered up. Yeah, so it was Timothy. Okay, so yeah, now I'm able to log in with the IAM Identity Center AWS Apps Portal. So you can bookmark this. Okay, so even you can easily remember since we changed the URL, because we customized the URL. So if you click this, see, you can see administrator access and access. You can get access key, which is short term access. The session duration we gave it in permission set, right? Yeah, so this will be only accessible for 8 hours because I set it 8 hours, right? You can set session duration based on your use case. So if I log in, I am an admin user. So yeah, this is it. So here you can see you are going to if you click access key, you will get access key and secret key. Even the session token that is only valid for 8 hours. For me, it's 8 hours. You can get custom set custom duration as well. Yeah, so you can see I have logged in as admin user. Okay, so that's it for this lecture. Thank you.